What's up, brother?
What up?
Another day, huh?
Another day, another trip.
Yeah, I was surprised when the guy said that they were done.
I mean, fuck it, why not?
I know, right? Well, he started on him yesterday, so like, super quick.
Yeah. Hey, better for you.
Yeah, seriously. You just clip it on?
Yes, sir. What you do, just pull the strap and make sure it's tight.
Cool. Yeah, I brought all the tires down already, because...
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
That makes it easy.
What's up?
That makes it easy.
Yeah. Yeah, let me put this down really quick.
Turns out.
Ready?
Yeah.
You think those need to be tied down?
No. Not at all. These aren't going anywhere, bro.
That's fine. Project pending. What a throwback. At least we're not in the sun, Michael.
I'm dead stopped on the freeway.
Under a bridge. Imagine if there's an earthquake. I would cry.
I'd back up into this dude behind me.
By the way, it's currently the next day after last week's video. The guy said that it was supposed to be done in like the end of this week, and he literally just hit me up the next day. Oh look, this is where we went to go drink for your 21st birthday, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I was like, this place looks familiar. But yeah, he messaged me. He's like, your wheels are done. I'm like, okay, cool. So I didn't think I was gonna even get them today because I knew Michael was busy all day at work and all that. So. But Michael is MVP like always and helps me when I need help. So, thank you, Michael.
You're welcome.
Yeah, we're almost there to pick up the wheels, dude. I've seen pictures of them already and they look sick. They look really good. The guy did a really good job, so I'm pretty happy. But yeah, I'm excited to see what they look like. And then we're gonna mount on the tires that we picked up also. And then we're gonna go home, put the wheels back on and all that. And then, I don't even know what we're doing after that.
Figure some shit out.
Yeah, we'll figure something out. Yeah, we just pulled up here.
Alright, cool. I'll be there.
Alright, cool, thank you.
Alright, you're welcome.
It's got some T's on here, dude. That's so sick. That's so cool. Yeah.
Man, bro.
They look pretty good. Look at that polished
I like
lip.
it a lot. I kind of like them more than the originals.
No, I actually do also. It brings it up, it makes it pop out a little more. Yeah, they did a really awesome job. I actually prefer it with the polished lip and everything because it brings out the color a lot. Like, you could see like the difference.
Yeah.
So like not everything just blends in together also. So it's kind of like black wheels where like you can't really.
There's some contrast.
Yeah, exactly. You can actually see like, oh, this is like the wheel and like I don't know. It's kind of hard to explain, but it's hard to see on camera also. Like it's really hard to see on camera.
Definitely.
Because it just kind of like blends in.
The camera definitely doesn't do it justice.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't. Well, on camera it blends in, but like in person you can actually see the chrome and like the polished rim, not lip, rim, the rim of it. So yeah, I'm excited to see what it's like on the car now. Then
I'm excited to see what it looks like with these tires mounted on.
Yeah, the tires also. Yeah, I gotta get a front lip, Michael.
What do you mean you gotta get a front lip?
A front lip, like a front.
Yeah, for your bumper?
For a carbon lip. I emailed, I called Sabon to see if, because their warehouse is in LA.
Yeah.
I called them to see if they had the lip that I want, and they're it's not in stock, but like, I went on their website and emailed them, or signed up for the email thing to
see when it gets
to notify me when they're gonna have it in stock and all that. So
nice.
Or I could just get an APR front lip, but that's like $900, and they have that in stock right now. $900 for a front lip, Michael.
APR lips are so big though.
The one that I saw isn't that crazy big.
No?
It's not super flashy, but it's still $900.
Yeah.
Do I want to spend $900?
I mean, how much is the save on one?
It's like $7.
Okay, $200 more. You're just gonna destroy it either way.
Exactly. Do I want to spend $200 to destroy something? An extra $200 to destroy something?
I mean,
I don't know. We'll see. Orlando, what's going on, dude? Good to see you again.
long time no see.
Yeah, so this is the polished slip right here. You can see how like the color difference and everything. You think that'd be a part of like the actual wheel, but it's not. So that's the polished slip. I'm happy. I'm happy with the way it came out. It's super subtle. It's super subtle.
It is.
But it's really noticeable if you see it in person also.
Yeah.
We just finished up here at Magic Tires, of course, dude. These guys are so nice. You guys got to go to them. They made sure they took care of my wheels, and they're fast also. So if you guys need anything with wheels wise, they'll take care of you. They look good though, huh, Michael?
I like them a lot better with the polished slip.
No, they look really good with the polished slip. I'm excited to see what they look like on the car now, because it honestly makes a big difference. Like it looks way better in my opinion, rather with just one whole color. Because now you could, what Michael said was, now you could pretty much see where the tire starts and where the wheel starts instead of it all like pretty much looking the same. So I'm hyped. I'm hyped. It's getting a little dark, so I don't even know if we're gonna be able to see it very well. Well, at least on camera you're not gonna see it very well, but hopefully we'll be able to see something. So we're gonna head home really quick and we're gonna put on the tires finally. I've been done fucking driving my car. But yeah. There he goes. Oh, that's so hard. Alright guys, so it's currently the next day. Yeah, like I said, it got way too dark for me to show you guys what the wheels look like, especially in the dark. You couldn't see anything. That last clip that you saw, you could barely even see the wheels. So I decided just to not film anymore that same day and just come back out the next day to just show you guys what the wheels look like. You guys already know where I'm at. You guys watch my videos, so you already know where I'm at. So here, I want to show you guys really quick again. So these are the wheels now. You can see a lot better in sunlight, in actual sunlight. I'll move to the other side so you guys can actually see. But this is what the guy did. He literally just polished the rim of the wheel now where the curb rash was, and it honestly looks so good. I am so happy with it. Like I said, it's so hard to catch on camera. It is so hard to catch on camera. Like, I guess from this angle you can see it and like how it like pops up even more. But the car honestly looks so amazing. That chrome, that polish, just makes the car pop out even more. Like, it's actually insane. It looks the same, but honestly, like, it looks so good. And with these tires also, these Yokohamas, oh my gosh, just makes the car look way more aggressive. It looks so good. If you guys are wondering the exact specs of my wheels and tires, these wheels are 18 by 10 plus 35, I think. Pretty sure it's plus 35. And the tires are 255 35s, and the wheels, of course, 18s. So if you guys want this setup, it's a good setup, honestly. It's not bad. What's going on here? I don't know why this side is raised up so much, but it's not a bad setup at all. Like, the fitment and everything is nearly perfect. This is a tiny bit of poke, but nothing super crazy. I don't rub very much. If anything, the back rubs just a slight, but unless you're driving like super aggressive and not slow down for bumps and all that, then you honestly won't bottom out or anything. So yeah, these are the wheels. Like I said, I'm so happy with how they came out. They look so good. Sorry if my hair looks weird. No product. But yeah. Oh, I can't get over the look of this car. It looks so good. The only thing that's really missing is like a front lip, side skirt, and a diffuser. And this car looks so awesome. Like, look at it, dude. It looks just so good. I'm so happy with how this car is turning out in such a short amount of time. Every time I see this car, I just fall in love with it because I don't daily it. So every time I see it, it's almost like a new car to me. Alright, but anyways, I'm gonna close out this vlog. It was probably more on the shorter side just because it was just me and Michael picking up the wheels. It wasn't anything super crazy, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I always say, thank you guys all so much for watching. I appreciate you guys all so much. And if honestly, if it wasn't for you guys, I probably wouldn't be making these videos at all anymore. We just hit 300 and I think right now it's 20 subscribers. In less than a month, literally January 19th, I remember the date. January 19th, we hit 200. Literally, in less than a month, we've gained 120 subscribers. And you guys are so awesome. Like, I cannot thank you guys enough. Like, you guys are honestly the best. All the comments that you guys leave, you know, I read every single one of you, comment back on every single one of you guys. You know, you guys are so awesome. I can't thank you guys enough for your kind words and everything. And I promise you guys to keep pushing myself every week to make better content, to make better videos for you guys. I don't like to ask you guys for likes, comments, and to subscribe. That's all up to you guys. And you know, if you guys want to, great. If you guys don't, like I always say, don't worry. I still appreciate you guys for watching my videos at least. So the plans I have for this car are insane. Like I'm hyped. Like, you know, once I you know, have a little extra money to start doing other things, the plans I have for this car are insane. So, but anyways, like I said, thank you guys all so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.